Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on your MEXC application using your mobile device. To change your currency on MEXC app, first of all, make sure to open the MEXC app on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the main homepage logged in. After you are done, go ahead and tap on the human icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now, once you tap on the human button, you will then be able to see this interface. Tap on settings and then tap on currency. Select the currency in which you want to view your balances such as USD, EUR or others, and once you press on that, the app will update to display balances in your chosen currency. Your account balance and trading prices should now be displayed in the selected currency. So that's how you change your currency on MEXC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.